guys, what's up and welcome to the new videos of CRISPR. Today CRISPR news is about the new CRISPR Heart method. Researchers from a group of Hans Clever has developed a new genetic tools to label specific genes in human organelles or mini organs. They use this new method called CRISPR Heart to investigate how hepatocytes divided and how abnormal cells with too much DNA appears. By disabling the cancer genes TP53, they showed that unstructured divides of abnormal hepatocytes were more frequent, which may contribute the cancer development. These results are described and published in the scientific journal Nature Cell Biology. For the first time, we saw how abnormal hepatocytes turn into abnormal ones. In addition, this research studies the effect of mutations often found in liver cancer. In this gene TP53, abnormal cell division in hepatocytes without TP53. These abnormal hepatocytes will dividing much more often than maybe one of the way that TP53 contributes to cancer development. The researchers believe that Heart CRISPR can be applied to many types of human organelles to utilize any genes and cell types and to study many development and diseases related to question. The division of human liver cells can be seen in the image above. Cell division in 3D organoids shows that healthy left organoids shows organized division arrow, while organoids in which the cancer gene TP53 is disabled right shows cutic cell division arrow. If you want to read more about this article, the article link in the description below.